This island is called Sustainability Island, and you will need to print out the sheet that is in the notes below, and you'll also need a large piece of paper and pens for your students. So what you need to do is you need to explain to them that they are the first humans that have landed on a desert island. Nobody has lived there before. So they have an opportunity to create a really sustainable island that will be able to house their people for generations to come. So what you ask them to do is you actually ask them to draw a big island shape, and then they need to literally draw in everything that they're going to need to be sustainable, all the things that humans need. So they'll have the instructions in the sheet, but it's their energy needs, their transport, how will they get around, what will they eat, what will they drink, how will their systems be managed. And you need to get them to think in systems. So for example, if they're going to have houses, what materials are their houses going to be made from? So will they have a forest? If they have a hospital, where will their medicine come from? So you want them to think in systems, but you also want them to make sure that they're adding in a track or joining the dots between all of the systems. So if they're inputting anything on the island, that it has to be sustainable, and what they need, for example, to have solar panels, that they're able to get the materials for those solar panels on the island. It's a great activity. It takes about 15 minutes. Get your students then to explain the activity to each other, and you can choose which island is the most sustainable. Have fun.
Hi, my name's Daisy. I'm in 5th class Clover International School. This is my island that is signed. So here's our windmills where we get our renewable energy. Here's our farm where we get our food. We have our food sources, vegetables and fish. And then we get our water from the mountains here. And then for entertainment, we have a bingo hall, and for safety, we have a police station. And here's where you can get a bike, so you can go wherever you want. Here's our primary and secondary school, and then we also have a university. We have apartments and houses made of wood. And we have our hospital where we get our medicine out of the forest. And then we also have a bank. And then we have our solar panels where we can get more energy, and it's good for. And there's a town hall where we discuss everything. This is my island. I hope you have fun designing yours.